In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SPF and DKIM records in Plesk. Ensuring your emails are properly authenticated is crucial for preventing your messages from being marked as spam or phishing attempts. By setting up SPF and DKIM records, you'll be enhancing the security and reliability of your email communications. First, let's start by logging into Plesk. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Websites and Domains section. This is where you'll have an overview of all the domains associated with your account. Find and select the domain that you want to configure. From here, look for the Mail option and click on Mail Settings. In the Mail Settings, you're going to see an option that says Use DKIM Spam Protection System to sign outgoing email messages. Checking this option enables DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. This is a method that uses digital signatures to validate the authenticity of an email message, ensuring that what reaches your recipient hasn't been tampered with. Once you've checked that box, simply click OK to apply your changes. Now, let's move on to setting up the SPF record. Head back to the Websites and Domains section and select the same domain you've been working with. You're going to need to access the DNS settings. Think of DNS settings as a directory that's responsible for translating domain names into IP addresses, ensuring that when you send an email, it knows where to go. Once you're in the DNS settings, you need to add a new record, so click on Add Record. You'll be prompted to select the type of record you're adding, and for our purposes, we're going to choose TXT. Now, in the TXT record field, you'll want to enter the specific SPF record, V SPF1 plus A plus MX plus A test Plesk.com all. This is essentially a rule that tells the email servers which domains and IP addresses are authorized to send emails on behalf of your domain. To break it down a little, VSPF1 indicates the version of SPF being used. Plus A and plus MX permit any host with an A record and MX record respectively for your domain to send mail. Say test Plesk.com explicitly allows the test subdomain to send emails, and all means that any server not listed is not permitted to send mail from this domain. After adding this TXT record, click OK to confirm and save your settings. By successfully configuring both SPF and DKIM, you authorize Plesk's mail server to send emails on your domain's behalf, which helps prevent them from ending up in spam folders and gives your recipients confidence that they're receiving legitimate emails from you. And that's how you set up SPF and DKIM records in Plesk. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you secure your email communications.